Hello, in this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on Redmi Turbo 4 Pro. So you have to start by opening your settings application and now go to About Phone and scroll down. Then click on Factory Reset and scroll down and click Erase All Data. Now click on Factory Reset and now you will have to wait for 10 seconds and then click Next. Now click Next, and you will have to wait for 10 seconds again, and then click OK. And click OK. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.